On 1st of January, a situation as under is prevailing. Spot exchange rate is 70 rupees per dollar. Rate of interest for rupee currency is 15%. For dollar currency it is 6%. The time period is 1 year. You are required to answer the following questions. From bank point of view, ascertain an exchange rate that should be quoted so that an opportunity of arbitrage does not exist. That there is no opportunity of arbitrage. Means the question is providing the information that say you are required to make the computation of such forward exchange rate. You are required to compute such forward exchange rate from bank point of view so that opportunity of the arbitrage does not exist. That is what the question is. Again, I would like you to make the calculation of the answer and then I will do answer. So friends, over here we understand spot exchange rate is 70 rupees per dollar. That is the spot exchange rate. Rupee currency rate of interest is 15%. And the dollar currency rate of interest is 6%. Like that information is given. As far as 1 year forward exchange rate is concerned, that is required to be calculated by us. Now friends, we understand that there are two types of transactions which are possible for the purpose of making risk-free profit. One is you may enter into the transaction for borrow rupees and invest in dollar. Suppose you borrow 70 rupees, then your repayment of the loan is 80.5 rupees and your maturity amount of deposit is $1.06. As a bank, what I should do, I should give you such forward exchange rate so that say $1.06 itself is 80.5 rupees. So there will not be any opportunity of arbitrage. And if at all you enter into the transaction for borrow dollar and invest in rupees, then in that case for every $1 that you borrow, your repayment of the loan is $1.06. And for every 70 rupees that you invest, your maturity amount of the deposit 80.5 rupees. So again, what happens at the conversion of this rupees into dollar should be equal to $1.06. So logically we understand like this, that the forward exchange rate should be, logically we understand that the forward exchange rate should be such that rupees and dollar, $1.06 is equal to 80.5 rupees. So we understand that say for every $1 this is the amount of rupees. So we understand that it is 80.5 into 1 divided by 1.06. So 80.5 divided by 1.06. So 75.9434. Rupees per dollar. This is what we understand is the theoretically the forward exchange rate should be for 1 year so that opportunity of the arbitrage does not exist. From examination point of view, of course we require some formula to present our answer. Formula is something that simplifies our calculation. Formula is nothing else but that is something that simplifies our calculation. So forward exchange rate is equal to spot plus interest on left hand side currency divided by 1 plus interest on right hand side currency. left hand side currency is rupees over here. So over here 70 plus 70 into 0.15 into 12 divided by 12 whole divided by 1 plus 1 into 0.06 into 12 divided by 12. This is the way we are required to make the calculation of answer. So 70 plus 10.5 divided by 1 plus 0.06. So 80.5 divided by 1.06. That comes to this answer itself. 75.9434. 75.9434 rupees per dollar. This is the way the forward exchange rate will be calculated, and dear students, this is given a technical name as the forward exchange rate as per IRPT. This is the forward exchange rate as per IRPT. We understand further like this, that if at all 1 year forward exchange rate is anything other than this, if at all the forward exchange rate is anything other than this, then in that case arbitrage exists. We can see that, say, we saw two examples. One wherein the forward exchange rate was greater, another it was lesser. In both the cases, say, arbitrage was possible. 78 was greater than this, arbitrage was there. 72 was less than this, even in that case arbitrage was there. So in either of the case the arbitrage is definitely possible. This is what we understand. One more thing which I keep outstanding to be explained yet now, that say once you identify that arbitrage exists, then in that case by entering into which transaction you will be able to make arbitrage is yet to be explained. Right now at this point of time, my intention from this question is to explain you how to calculate the forward exchange rate as per IRPT, and if at all actual forward exchange rate is other than this, then in that case always arbitrage is possible. Please write down answer further. One year forward exchange rate as per IRPT should be 75.9434 rupees per dollar. Full stop. If actual forward exchange rate is different, then an opportunity of arbitrage exists. Full stop.